I purchased this for this job. I need to cut this countertop out, and I'll be using that and a couple of other tools, but mostly that. And I'll let you know whether or not it works. I like the way it feels. It's got a good grip that won't slip out of my hand. One of the things I like about it is this hook, because I can get in here and pull up all this caulking, and there's no way I could do that with just a razor blade. This right here was a very useful tool for removing that backsplash. There was also clips on top of this that I had to pull. It's got a great nail puller thing right there, and you can get into things with that little straight edge, and I was able to just cut right in to everything I needed to, including that entire backsplash. I wish I would have bought one of these a long time ago. I'd always been using like putty knives and things like that and bending them. Now I've got a tool that actually works, and during this whole job, look at that, it's still straight, right? Still straight. It fits your hand really well. I don't just review it, I use it.